Ever wonder why your Canva designs feel a little flat? A simple line with the right color can completely change a layout. And today, I'll show you exactly how to do that in Canva. Quickly, clearly, and in a way you'll remember. Start by opening Canva and pulling up a design you're already working on, or just create a new project. Once your canvas is ready, look to the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Click on Elements. This is where Canva hides all its basic shapes and design pieces. At the top of the Elements panel, there's a search bar. Type lines and Canva will instantly load a bunch of options. Straight lines, dotted lines, curved designs, zigzags, you name it. Scroll around and pick the one that matches your layout or style. When you see one you like, just drag and drop it onto your canvas. Position it where you want and resize or rotate it if needed. Now, let's change the color. Make sure the line is selected. At the top of the screen, you'll see a small color swatch icon. Click it. A color panel will open, showing your document colors, default options, and a color picker if you want something custom. Click any shade to instantly apply it to your line. If you want to add a little drama, look for the gradient options in that same panel. Scroll down until you see the gradient section. Depending on your project, it may be a bit farther down. Pick one that fits your vibe, and Canva will apply it to your line just like that. Those few clicks, adding your line, placing it, and switching the color can completely change the tone of your design. It's a small detail that makes everything look more intentional and professional. If this helped or gave you an idea for your next project, stick around. There's plenty more Canva tips coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.